Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a commercial driveway apron for a customer. Stick around for that. It's pretty straightforward for anybody that's done commercial work. We don't do it very often. If you go through our video list, this is the first commercial driveway apron on our videos. But thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. All right, guys, there it is. Inspector came by, gave us the thumbs up. Everything is looking good. That side over there on the right up against the form was a little on the softer side, but he said it's more than acceptable. We got extra rebar in our corners because corners always break. We're 8 inches thick. Rebar is 18 inches on center, a little bit less actually, just to make sure we pass inspection. Forms are in, slope is good, everything's good. We got the thumbs up. We'll be pouring tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We ended up pouring this about 9 inches thick with 4,000 PSI concrete, city mix with microfiber, number 4 rebar on 18-inch centers. Pretty sure you could park an aircraft carrier on this and it won't go anywhere, but there it is, guys. So in this specific situation, as you guys can tell, no sidewalks or curbs anywhere. Normally on something like this, you would pour the curb first, the sidewalk, and the apron in between, and then the ramp up there. But the city engineering approved us to do just a straight pour like that, do this asphalt in a few days. We can't do this over the weekend, city code. But there it is, guys. Next week and the week after that, we're doing a few small jobs that we're gonna kind of line up in a row. But thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.